this match. Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers against Manchester City. And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Aguero, it's in off the post.
Talk about precision.
Manchester City are in the lead.
Manchester City, number 10, Sergio Aguero.
Little piece of interplay between the two. The shot's on. Oh, nowhere near.
No, he's miscued that one. Miscued it badly.
And the ball played to Mendy. Coming on strong and looking to play their way through now. A bit of pressure on the player, that's why it's gone out. Gets his cross in. A little touch on. And that ball belongs to the goalkeeper. On the move and able to cut out the pass. It's Wolves with the advantage. Diogo Jota. Strong challenge. It's an excellent cross. Punched away by the goalkeeper. Attacking well here. Now Fernandinho. Played down the wing, keeping the wide attack going. Mahrez. Now Fernandinho. Here's Yaya Toure. Comes in with a tackle.
With the owner of the red car obstructing the main entrance, please remove the car as soon as possible. Thank you.
The referee has said to Wolves, you can keep going here. It's your advantage. Good forward play from them. Good deep cross to... How did he save that?
He's one of the best in the business from those kind of situations. Absolutely brilliant.
Substitution for
Oh, a bad day all round. Didn't play well. Picked up a yellow, and now he's been subbed.
And in it goes.
Number 21, David Silva.
Yaya Toure.
Well, he makes that transition happen quickly.
He's come into this area, into his own midfield to collect the ball. Rather deep position, but you can see what they're doing. They're keeping possession by doing it. Now here's a chance. Trying to steer it through. Aguero. Oh, they could have increased their advantage then.
Yeah, I think that would have been game over. It should have been really from that distance.
Now Doherty. Rodric Miranda. Now this looks promising. It's a neat pass. Ah, it's a penalty. Well, sometimes we talk about the double whammy, but it's a single whammy here. It's just a penalty.
Yeah, the player concerned looked a little relieved. I think he thought he was going to see yellow there.
Did you see anything cynical in that, Alan?
Well, I think so. The referee doesn't need to make a mountain out of this molehill, but it is a foul.
Oh, he's missed it.
Oh, sometimes, you know, you can tell by their eyes, and he didn't look the most confident.
Benjamin Mendy. Silva. And it is Manchester City in the driving seat at the moment, but the opposition doing their best to try and push them out of that seat. City lead with half-time approaching. Taking on the defenders. Can he pick somebody out with his pullback. And he scores! Well, they've taken the low route here, and they've got themselves a goal well out of the keeper's reach.
Well, if you look back through the archives, you'll see that this player has scored quite a few from these kind of distances, and it is a knack.
He's tucked it away, well out of the goalkeeper's reach.
I love to see that. Don't have to whack it from that kind of position, just side-footed home.
So, the players haven't put the ball out, they're playing on, but the referee said no, he's worried about the player, and he stopped the game. Well, the injured player has gone off. We're going to get the game restarted with a drop ball. 2 more minutes to play of added time. In quickly.
There will be a minimum of 2 minutes of added time.
And it's a shot now! Well, everything to play for in this. Change of ends, and the second half is underway. Manchester City given the advantage here.
That's well worked by City here, and they're going forward with a real hint of menace about them.
Silva. Sterling! And they've scored!
Well, how long's he been on? 1 or 2 minutes, I'm not sure, but he's marked his appearance here with a wonderful goal.
He took a chance to get in there, and the ball just fell perfectly for him. Couldn't miss from there.
No, he couldn't. Point-blank effort, but you have got to be in the positions, haven't you, to miss them? The old saying goes true.
Well, Wolves need to find some fight because they're behind. Vincent Kompany. They've got numbers in this attack, and it looks dangerous. Kevin De Bruyne. Diogo Jota. Crisp defending there. Silva. Sergio Aguero. Looking to widen the play, really, widen the build-up, but the ball's just run straight out over the touchline. The equaliser here. He's refused to be beaten here.
Well, standing ovation from the fans, and why not? What a stop.
And that's gone behind for a corner. And in it goes. Excellent header, millimetres away from scoring, really.
I think he thought he had scored, and maybe the keeper did too.
There's good progress with this attack. It's not really away, poor clearance. Silva. Trying to thread a pass through, but not successful. Silva. It's an advantage. And he shoots from long range. We're going to get a corner here because of that deflection. Well, here is that earlier incident, Alan. Aguero! Defended well. Kevin De Bruyne. Now that's a throw. Doherty. Oh, he's cut that out well read. It's De Bruyne. It's Aguero. Aguero. And it's in. Off the bar.
Well, that is one that we'll look at again because it's so eye-catching when that happens. Very rare, really, but it's a special goal.
Yeah, it really gets the crowd buzzing, and looks like being this lad's day. Wonderful strike.
Just a reminder, 3-1 it is now, the scoreline. Well, the tackle there has led to a throw. Moving the opposition around with it.
In with a chance. Real opening now. Well, he's tried for his second goal of the game. Keeper's the better of him this time.
Well, you thought there was only one winner there, but in the end it was the keeper.
Punched away by the goalkeeper. Manchester City's free kick. Now he's a bit disappointed. He's going to be taken off here, and the manager may be saving him for another day, but also allowing him to...
Shots on here.
It's an important goal, isn't it? It's brought the match back into sharper relief, really. The contest is very much on again. The deficit is down to 1, and there's still opportunities for them to make even further inroads into the scoreline. One more look at what happened earlier. Could the defender have done anything different, Alan?
Well, maybe he's half turned away, and that didn't help. If he'd have closed it down a bit more bravely, it might have been better.
Much of the game has been dictated by Manchester City, and the reward for that should be victory. Good defending. Hit in with good vision.
In on the goalkeeper. The equaliser here.
Wonderful save. Well, that's almost as good as a goal at the other end. He's certainly saved a goal here.
Do you know what? He's done that right throughout his career. Brilliant.
Sergio Aguero. They've lost the ball, and the counter-attack could be a booking here.
10 minutes of added time.
3 minutes to be added on. Silva.
Not really tested to the full, the keeper that time.
Yeah, I think he saw it coming all the way, Martin.
Just the one goal in it, but they've got a corner and a chance to add to that one-goal advantage very late in this match. Nicolas Otamendi. De Bruyne. Defender has to be quick. Final whistle. Well, given their status in the match,